All right. So I've had a few people reach out and say, hey, what's a decent revenue split to propose when I'm trying to get a new model? What I typically see, especially with new people, is they'll start their agency, they'll start cold outreaching, they'll start pitching models in the DMs, and after a few hundred or so, they'll start getting second thoughts and they'll start getting doubtful. So their first reaction is typically to lessen what they're asking for in return, thinking maybe that's the problem.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
So I thought I'd make a video about a decent revenue split and a decent offer to propose, and what we personally do as well. Now, obviously, it is kind of based on how experienced the girl is, what they are already bringing to the table. But for this video, we're going to assume the model is brand new and they're just creating the OnlyFans account with you, all right? So first of all, let's go over what you're offering. Now, it is quite substantial what you're offering, especially when you break it down. And I think some people need reminding that. Especially when I see a lot of people offering, first month free trial, or first X amount is yours, and then we'll start splitting. Now, I'm guessing that's coming out of desperation because after you've sent a few hundred messages, I can understand you getting doubtful. But that is not it. That is not the answer. So first of all, here's what you're offering, all right? Just to make it clear. So first of all, you're offering to market the model's OnlyFans account. This involves dating apps, Reddit, TikTok, and some others, but these are the main ones. Now, that can get expensive. The costs can start adding up when you want to scale. You have to use proxy IP addresses, SIM cards, entity web browsers, phones, all that stuff. So just putting out there, this starts to incur expenses on your end. Then you'll be running the OnlyFans account, which involves chatting, which is selling, which is the lifeblood of your whole venture, plus scheduling the content, the comments, stuff like that. So you'll be running it. Okay, now what does the model do? The model uploads photos. That's it. Nothing wrong with that. That is the whole pitch. That's the beauty of what we're offering. We're offering them the chance to be able to just take photos from their phone and make money. That's what we're offering. So we're literally offering to automate the account. Okay, so after reading all this, does a 70-30 split where the model takes 70%, you take 30%, does that sound fair to you? No, it doesn't. Especially once you start adding up some costs that are associated with scaling up. Now, the beauty is you can do all this at the start without spending a cent. But as you want to start using multiple profiles, multiple phones, multiple browsers, whatever, multiple proxies, it's going to start costing you. And now this is going to start taking a decent chunk out of your little measly 30%. So this is primarily why I say hell no to the 70-30 split that I've seen. So 70-30 split. No. Now, here's another idea. 30-70 split. 30% to the model, 70% to you. Now that sounds good. Okay, well, remember what I said. We're assuming the model has not started the OnlyFans account yet. Now, there is an argument to say why we would deserve 70% of the revenue, because they haven't started the account yet, and without you, they're not going to make money, right? There is an argument to that, but try telling the girl that. If you're cold outreaching, trying to get a model, and you get her interested, and then you say, we're going to take 70% and you're only going to keep 30, good luck. You are probably not going to sign her. But remember, we're only hypothetically dealing with models that have not yet created an OnlyFans account. Now, as you grow, you're going to start having a lot more leverage. You're going to start having a lot more resources to use to grow the account quicker and quicker. So therefore, down the track, once you have got some social proof and got some credibility behind your agency, then you might be able to get away with this. But remember, we're assuming you're just starting out and you haven't got a model yet, or the model hasn't started OnlyFans yet. So that is not going to work either, because it sounds all well and good, but try telling the model that. Now we end on 50-50. This is what we do. Assuming the girl, we don't want to read that. Assuming the girl is still new, this is what we offer. We still do it 50-50. No problems, no worries at all. 50-50 sounds fair. Now, we typically get objections. Well, we're fortunate, as I've said in other videos, we don't go cold outreaching anymore because we have models applying to us. We're very fortunate. But when we were cold outreaching, me personally, when I was in the trenches reaching out to models, this was back when I was doing it, I would always get an objection when you propose the 50-50 split. If you've seen my other videos, how to pitch, you subtly chuck the revenue split in your pitch and perhaps they'll browse through it. But when they go to read the contract, this is back when I was doing it, I nearly almost got an objection when they read the 50-50. Now here's what you say. We need to incentivize our agency to grow your accounts. If we're getting paid X amounts, if we're getting paid a set fee, then we can easily do shit all and we'll still get paid the same amount. So wouldn't you want us to be incentivized? If we don't make money, you don't make money. That sounds pretty fair, right? Something like that. Anyway, so we propose 50-50 split. That is it. Let's green that. Okay? Now, let's go over the gimmicks that I've heard. Well, I've only heard a couple. As I said, I typically hear this from people that haven't got a model yet and are new to this, and they've sent a few hundred DMs and they're getting frustrated that they haven't got a model, and they think, okay, let's start throwing some other offers out there. So one of them I hear is first month free trial. Okay, let's go over why that's not a good idea. Because a first month free trial implies that you are going to make the model money and you're not going to get paid for it. First month free trial. No. Now, the next one is, okay, how about the first $1,000 is yours, and then after that, we start splitting. Because remember, I'm hypothetically talking about a model that doesn't have an OnlyFans yet, so $1,000 is, the first 1,000. So how about the first $1,000 is yours, and then we start splitting? Well, that kind of goes back to above. That means that you're going to make her X amount of money. She has the opportunity to bail, and then you've just done all that work for nothing. You've already started establishing her account. You've optimized the OnlyFans account. You've done the buy. You've done the welcome. You've done all that. You've started making money. You've made her $1,000, and then she can just go, oh, actually, no, I could probably do it myself. So no, don't do that as well. And that's it. Now, look, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't go and show you the Empire forums and how fucking badass it is, all right? So now, I have just introduced something. Oh, by the way, we're at 300 members. How fucking cool is that? Let's have a lookie. Let's have a look. Wow. Wow. Yeah. 300 members. Boom. That means price is going up. Now, if you see this video, the price might not be up yet because I do tend to leave it a couple of extra hours for those who want to sneak in. But yeah, price is going up, and I have decided to add a companion Telegram group chat for premium members only. So therefore, this way we can do all the learning on the forum, and then for those that want to talk shit, talk nonsense, banter, whatever, then you will have the Telegram. This way the learning is separated from all the noise, which was the main inherent flaw with all the other Telegram communities and Discord communities I saw. It was all kind of one. There was a lot of chit chat, a lot of nonsense, and you have to try and filter through and learn something. This way, you get the best of both worlds. You can just learn, you can just extract what you need, and you can still talk shit with everyone else in there at the same time. So that's it. It's only getting better and better every day. So I hope that helps. Keep smashing the DMs. Don't stop. If you've sent a few hundred DMs and you still haven't got a reply, you still haven't got a model, that's only the beginning, buddy. That is only the beginning. Keep going. Keep going. So that's it. So if you like the videos, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.